Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 10 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, find folder Google and find calendar, then click on it. Now tap at the bottom right corner over here and choose Got It. Then you have to click on the month above and select the date, for example that one. Now click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and select event. Over here you can customize your event however you want to. You can add a title, choose starting hour, ending one, add people, location, set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before, click done, and save it by clicking at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added, but if you want to delete it, you can always click on it, then click on the three dots over here at the top right corner and select delete, then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!